Alright guys, so I'm basically going to check the oil filter today to see what's going on with the F30. Like I said, the knocking noise, well not knocking, but the rattling noise underneath the car, I strongly believe that it has nothing to do with the engine. It was either that manifold bolt that fell behind the engine. It's stuck somewhere and it rattles when the car starts, or something when you step on the gas. Is either that, but I am not 100% sure. Also, the second option could be the exhaust. Maybe something is trapped inside of the exhaust that's causing the rattle, but I am not 100% sure. Again, I'm doing all this to figure out the problem, and also I've considered basically selling the car, so just to make sure that the next person who gets the car do not experience this, or I make it aware to them that, hey, this is what's going on with the car. But again, it's a very annoying situation. It was not there before, so I'm leaning towards the situation being that bolt is probably stuck somewhere between there. I am not sure, so I'm going to check the oil filter just to see if there's any metal shavings in the oil and whatnot, and we could go from there. Get some paper towels. Thick. What did he put in here? 540. Like I said, I just want to investigate this oil filter just to make sure if there's any metal shavings in here or not. I didn't find any metal shavings, but I found what looked like little pieces of plastic, like rubber, probably due to the error of the mechanic that changed the oil. I'm trying to focus on that right about there, but I didn't find any metal shavings in here, just this little plastic. Quick question, can that cause the engine to knock? If you have a little bit of, or maybe that was just stuck to the filter, but I'm not sure. But no metal shaving, just that little piece of plastic. You gotta let me know. See in here. I don't see any, the oil is not like shiny, glistening or anything like that. It's just thick. So as you guys saw, there was no metal shavings in the oil. It was just that little piece of plastic on the filter that was just a little concerning to me. So make me wonder, how did that get in there? It's probably most likely just stuck on the filter when you put the filter in. So yeah. Let's do a proper cold start. Again, I'm going to drop the codes that I'm getting on the car at the end of this video. You guys let me know what y'all think. Any BMW expert mechanics that follows me, please let me know what y'all think or what I should do next. I see a code there for the IBS, which is concerning to me because it wasn't there before. So maybe that's causing all the issue, because that could cause some communication issues, because the IBS measure the voltage and whatever. But thinking of, if I don't sell the car as it is, I will replace that IBS sensor. But as the car is idling, you guys can hear like it's like a little rocking, it's like underneath the car. That rattle, so freaking annoying. I just can't shake it, man. I just have to figure this out. And if I don't figure it out, I can't sleep. Anyway, let me stop talking too much. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. I'm gonna leave the codes at the end of the video. I need some help. I need some help figuring this stuff out, because there might be somebody out there who've been through this or are going to go through something like this, and they're going to be pulling out their hair trying to figure this out, and this might just help somebody else, and that's the only reason why I really do this. I enjoy working on cars, but the reason why I really do this is to help, not just myself, but to help other people who do have troubles like this on their car or their BMW, whatever it may be. So yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think. Deuces.